Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lou. So in today's video, I'm showing you my take on the Foxy eye look. I went for darker cherry burgundy tone colors. I really like the way it turned out. I'm still not used to this look, but I really like it. It really, looked like it gave me an eye lift. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then please just keep watching, and as usual, please don't forget to like this video and click on the subscribe button down below, and let's get started. Okay, so I put on my foundation and I also have my eyebrows on. For this Foxy eye look, I'm going to use my Naked Cherry palette. Today we're gonna go for a cherry burgundy foxy look. So first I'm gonna set my eyes with Hot Spot. I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid. Prior to this, I had already applied primer. I used the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I'm sorry if the lighting is not great. It's kind of gloomy outside. It's going to rain. Anyways, for this Foxy eye look, you kind of want to concentrate all your shadow on the outer corner and going upwards. So you don't want to put too much color in the inner corners, just to give it a more like sleek foxy look. Using Juicy, I'm gonna concentrate right in the outer corner, and I'm gonna pull the color upwards like this, and I'm not going to bring the color all the way here. So if you don't have much eyelid space, it's probably better to use a brush with a smaller tip. Next, I'm going in with this shade Bing. I'm gonna do the same, but I'm not going to blend it out too much. I'm gonna use an even smaller brush, and then I'm going to concentrate in the outer corners. Next, I'm going in with Devilish. It's a darker shade, and this time I'm gonna use a much more smaller brush so that I can kind of concentrate here in the very outer corner. And same thing, I'm going to brush it out with an upwards movement. So now we can kind of see a wing kind of thing going on. And if you have any harsh edges, just go in with a clean brush and blend it out. I'm going to use Turn On. So I feel like cleaning out the edges just to give it a sharper wing. So I'm going to use a Q-tip with a little bit of makeup remover, and I'm just going to shape it. So for this look, I'm going to draw a very soft diffuse wing, and I'm going in with the darkest color in the palette, Privacy. And I'm going to use this wing liner brush. This is meant for gel liner, but I'm going to use this with the eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna go back in and just lightly blend out the wing, not too much, otherwise you're gonna lose the shape. So I'm just gonna lightly define that wing with a brown eyeliner. I'm also gonna use the same eyeliner and extend the inner corner of my eye. So when you extend it, you kind of want to draw the upper line going downwards and then connecting it back to your lower waterline. So this way you kind of get that, eye lift kind of look. So now I'm going to proceed with the other eye. I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, I've put on some falsies and I'm just gonna complete the eye look. So I'm gonna tightline my eyes using my Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Market. And we're not gonna put much on the lower eyelids because we want to concentrate everything up here. So I'm just gonna lightly line the waterline using Love Drug, also from Urban Decay. So to highlight, I'm going to use Beach Nectar from my Becca palette. I'm just gonna go a little on my under eye. So I think I'm done with the eyes, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and be right back. And I'm back. Wow, I look so different. I'm really not used to this kind of makeup look. I think it looks pretty cool. I really like it. For my lips, I used Cherry from Urban Decay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating this look. And as usual, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button down below. It would mean a lot to me. And I'll see you next week. Bye!